Let's be real. Nothing is more frustrating than sitting down to work, only for your laptop to hit 10% battery after just 1 hour. You start wondering, didn't this thing used to last longer? If that sounds like you, stay locked in. Today, we're breaking down why your laptop battery doesn't last anymore and the 3 real fixes that actually work. Not myths, not shortcuts, just real, tested solutions. And if yours still gives you trouble after this, we can fix it for you at Gbemi Gadgets, your plug for all things laptop and gadget repair. All right, first things first. Let's talk about why your battery drains so fast. Most times, it's not that your battery is bad. It's the way you use your laptop. You see, every battery has a lifespan measured in charge cycles. That's how many times you charge from 0 to 100%. Over time, the cells inside the battery start to wear out. So if you're constantly charging your laptop all day or letting it drop to 0% every time, you're killing it faster than you think. Another big issue, especially here in Nigeria, is heat. When your laptop gets hot, maybe from poor ventilation, direct sunlight, or a weak cooling system, your battery life shortens drastically. Heat messes with the chemical balance inside the battery and weakens its capacity. Now, let's move to the 3 real fixes that can save your battery and make it last longer. Fix number 1. Change the way you charge. Stop charging your laptop from 0% to 100% all the time. The sweet spot is between 20% and 80%. When your battery stays in that range, it reduces wear and extends life. If you're working at a desk for hours, remove the charger once it's full. Keeping it plugged in 24/7 overheats the cells and weakens them. Also, always use the original charger. Fake or low-voltage chargers damage the battery and the motherboard over time. At Gbemi Gadgets, we test and replace only genuine power adapters because that small difference affects long-term performance. Fix number 2. Control background activity. Most laptops die fast because they're running too many background apps, updates, antivirus scans, auto-syncs, even Chrome tabs you're not using. Here's what to do. On Windows, go to Task Manager Startup Apps and disable what you don't need. On macOS, go to System Settings Users and Groups Login Items and remove unnecessary programs. That simple step can add up to 1 full extra hour of battery life. You can also adjust your power settings. Set your display brightness to medium. Turn on Battery Saver mode. And if you're using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth you don't need, turn them off. It all adds up. Fix number 3. Service your laptop regularly. Now, this is where most people go wrong. Over time, dust builds up inside your system and blocks airflow. That heat then weakens the battery, and the fan struggles to cool down the machine. At Gbemi Gadgets, we run professional cleaning and battery health checks. We open the system safely, clean the vents, and test the power components. Sometimes, your battery isn't even the main issue. It could be the charging IC or a power rail on the board. So before buying a new battery, always get a proper diagnosis. And if your battery is swollen, stop using it immediately. It can damage your laptop's internal board or screen hinge. Bring it in. We'll replace it with a genuine one that lasts and is fully tested. Now here's a bonus tip. If you're someone who uses your laptop mostly for work or study, get a cooling pad. It keeps the temperature low, improves performance, and extends battery life. Finally, if your laptop is older, say 3 to 4 years, it might just be time for a replacement battery. But again, always buy original. Cheap replacements can damage your charging port or even catch fire. So, let's summarize real quick. Keep your charge between 20% and 80%. Reduce background activity. Clean and service your laptop often. And when replacing, go for genuine batteries. If you're tired of short battery life, overheating, or fast drain, come to Gbemi Gadgets. We fix, replace, and upgrade laptop batteries with high-quality parts. We're trusted for reliable gadgets, repairs, and accessories across Nigeria. You can visit us in-store or contact us to get help instantly. We deliver nationwide and test every gadget before handing it over. Your laptop deserves better. Don't throw it away yet. Bring it to Gbemi Gadgets, and we'll make it work like new again.